Oh my God, what did I just watch? First, take a look at this. This Indian channel became viral in just 2 weeks. With only 20 videos, it gained 80k plus subscribers, and most videos got millions of views. The best part? Videos like these can be created with AI in just 5 minutes. I created a video like this completely free. Now, let's take a look at it. So, let's start creating video like this. These videos show a girl collecting fruits and vegetables in rainy weather, cooking food and enjoying the meal with her husband. Every video has the same theme, but the food changes. This 90s Indian village style content is loved by many people. Now, let's go to the computer screen and start creating. To create this video, we'll need a detailed prompt. I've already prepared it for you, and you can download it for free from the video description. Also, if you enjoy my tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the Creating Studio channel. Now, copy the entire prompt and open Agent Minimax. For this type of project, Minimax can generate more detailed and structured results. Make sure to select the M3 model and enable thinking mode, as it usually provides higher quality responses and a more complete output. In step 1, the AI asks us to choose the topic for our video. You'll see several topics, and each one includes a short description, so you can easily pick the one you like. I'll choose topic 1 for this tutorial. Once you select a topic, that's all you need to do. Minimax automatically starts creating the complete video plan for you. It generates the video title, total runtime, a scene-by-scene breakdown with the duration of each clip, detailed image generation prompts, image to video animation prompts, camera directions, sound effect prompts, and everything else needed to create the video. This saves a huge amount of time because the entire workflow is prepared for you in just a few moments. Once everything is ready, copy the image generation prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. You'll find the links to Google Flow, Minimax, and all the other tools used in this tutorial in the video description. The best part is that Google Flow lets you generate unlimited images completely free, so you don't have to spend any money to create your images. Now, paste the copied image prompt into Google Flow. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose the Nano Banana 2 image model, and click Submit. Google Flow will then start generating your image. I have generated the first scene, which is the house clip. Now let's generate the second scene. Just copy the second scene's image generation prompt, paste it into Google Flow the same way, and click Submit. Now, copy the image generation prompt for the third scene. In Google Flow, click the 3-dot menu on the second image and select Add to Prompt. Then paste the new prompt and click Submit. We use the previous image as a reference, so the same character appears consistently in every scene. In the same way, you can add any previous image as a reference whenever you want to keep the character, background, or any other element consistent throughout the video. Now repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. My project has 9 scenes, so I'll generate all 9 images one by one. Once all the images are ready, we'll move on to the next step and turn them into animated video clips. All our images are ready. Now it's time to animate them. Each clip usually takes around 10-15 credits to generate. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day for each account. Since our project has 9 scenes, we'll need around 100 credits. So by using just 2 Gmail accounts, you'll have about 100 free credits, which is enough to complete the entire video without spending any money. Now, copy the animation prompt for the first scene, then go back to Google Flow, click the 3-dot menu on the first image, and select Animate. Before submitting, let's quickly check the clip duration in the Minimax file. You'll see the duration for each scene there. For 5-second scenes, I'll set the duration to 6 seconds, and for 7-second scenes, I'll set it to 8 seconds. Finally, paste the prompt and click Submit. Google Flow will start generating your animated video clip. Now, repeat the same process to animate all the remaining images. Once every clip has been animated, we'll use a video editing software to combine all the clips into one complete video. So all my clips are fully animated now, and it's time to get this thing done. Let's download them. I'm downloading each clip in 720p to keep the quality solid without making the file too heavy. Cool. All right, all my clips are downloaded. Now I'm going to open up CapCut. Let me create a brand new project real quick. Done. Now I'm going to head up to the top and hit import, and I'm bringing in every single clip one by one, okay? All my clips are imported. Now what I want to do is just drop them onto the timeline, one right after the other in order, just like that. Cool. So once everything's laid out, I'm going to play it back and start cutting, just trimming away the extra parts, keeping only the best moments, you know, clean it up a little, making it tight. All right, cutting is done. Now for the fun part, transitions. I'm adding a black fade transition between every single clip. That's going to give it that smooth, cinematic vibe. Looking good already. Editing's pretty much wrapped up. Last step, I'm hitting that export button up top and exporting the whole thing, and we're done. Yo, so your video's edited, time to upload it to YouTube. Hit upload, drop your file, add your title and tags, and publish. Now, real talk, if you want to earn from YouTube, you got to stay consistent, upload regularly, and don't quit after a couple videos. Best of luck. If you keep that consistency, you can honestly go viral in just 5 to 7 videos. And money, it's not that hard. Just stay focused, keep posting, and the cash will follow. Trust me,